This is Math 1067. Here are the things that you will be learning in this book. This might sound a little weird to you at first, and you might not understand what I'm talking about. But by the time you get to the end of the book and you come back to this page and read the goals, you should know exactly what we're talking about here. Okay, if you are still confused by the time you get to the end of the book, that means you need to review and you need to ask more questions and you need to watch more videos of the topics covered in this book. Okay, so remember, if you've learned what you're supposed to learn, when you come back to this page and read it, it should all make sense to you. Right now it's not, but when you come back it will. So what you're going to be learning here are how to study the pattern of sequence in order to determine the next term of the sequence, how to study the pattern for all the pairs of numbers of a function table in order to write the function rule as an equation, to use inverse operations to solve for the missing number in the addition and subtraction equation, to compare unlike fractions by finding the least common denominator, to review dividing fractions by fractions and whole numbers by fractions, to divide fractions by whole numbers or mixed numbers, to divide decimals by whole numbers, to multiply and divide decimals by powers of 10 by moving the decimal point, to change decimals to percents and percents to decimals by moving the decimal point, to learn about circle graphs, to solve word problems. These are the things that you're going to be learning in Math 1067. Again, by the time you get to the end of the book, you should be able to come back to this page and know exactly what they're talking about as you read through the goals. Okay? If you come back and you understand everything, that means you're ready for the test. Have fun.